Amazon Kinesis. Use cases. Amazon Kinesis makes it easy to collect, process, and analyze video and data streams in real time. Use case. A company, ABC Tolls, operates toll highways throughout the country. Customers that register with ABC Tolls receive a transceiver for their automobile. When the customer drives through the tolling area, a sensor receives information from the transceiver and records details of the transaction to a relational database. ABC Tolls has a traditional batch architecture. Each day, a scheduled extract transform load (ETL) process is executed that processes the daily transactions and transforms them so they can be loaded into their data warehouse. The next day, the ABC Tolls business analysts review the data using a reporting tool. In addition, once a month another process aggregates all the transactions for each of the ABC Tolls customers to calculate their monthly payment. Now, let's say the ABC Tolls wants to upgrade their systems to implement the following functionalities. Requirement 1, more recent data in the data warehouse. Requirement 2, billing threshold alerts. Requirement 1. More recent data in the data warehouse. The data in the company's data warehouse is up to 24 hours old because of their daily batch process. Their existing data warehouse solution is Amazon Redshift. The proposed architectural solution consists of 1. Kinesis Firehose can receive a stream of data records from toll stations and insert them into Amazon Redshift. The Kinesis Firehose delivery stream can be configured so that it would copy data to their Amazon Redshift table every 15 minutes. It can simultaneously use Amazon S3 for storing the raw data. Inside Amazon Redshift we can perform standard SQL operation to analyze the data and forward the business reports to the business analysis team. Requirement 2. Billing threshold alerts. ABC Tolls wants to send notifications via a mobile app when the billing threshold is reached. The proposed architectural solution consists of the application allowing customers to set their threshold, and a DynamoDB table that stores this value for each customer. The table is also used to store the cumulative amount spent by each customer, each month. To provide timely notifications, ABC Tolls needs to update the cumulative value in this table in a timely manner, and compare that value with the threshold to determine if a notification should be sent to the customer. Since their toll transactions are already streaming through Kinesis Firehose, it is recommended to use this streaming data as the source for their aggregation and alerting. Further, Kinesis Analytics totals the value of the transactions for each customer over a 10-minute time period window. At the end of the window, it sends the totals to a Kinesis stream. This stream is the event source for an AWS Lambda function. The Lambda function queries the DynamoDB table to retrieve the thresholds and current total spent by each customer represented in the output from Kinesis Analytics. For each customer, the Lambda function updates the current total in DynamoDB and also compares the total with the threshold. If the threshold has been exceeded, it uses Amazon Simple Notification Service, SNS, to send a notification to the customers. Summary. We understood how Amazon Kinesis services can be used to move a traditional batch workflow to a streaming workflow, thus helping customers to make time-sensitive business decisions in real time. To access the detailed AWS whitepaper, click on the link in the description below.
Thank you. If you want to know more about various AWS services and AWS certification courses, reach out to us on the following links.